Going on, everybody? Today we're taking the Miata to get an alignment. We're actually at Tristan's house right now because we're supposed to be going together, but I think he's still sleeping. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and then I'm gonna head out. But about an hour drive. So yeah, see you on the way. Alright guys, we made it here at the Bell Tire. Got our friend Jalen in there. We got a Miata right here, that's my friend Jake's. And then it's hard to see, but there's Jalen's 240 right over there. So yeah, we're just waiting now. I don't know, I'm fucking hungry. I forgot my glasses. No. Sunglasses?
No, my actual glasses.
Oh, really?
Yeah. On the freeway, I'm like, I can't see shit.
I don't think, have I seen it with these, or maybe I have seen it with these wheels.
I don't know about the wheels in the back. This is the Nardi King. He's always got Nardis. He's got Nardis on deck.
Yeah. What is that? A bees chirker? Nah, you're good.
Yeah, I was late to work this morning. We basically I got here, first car up was a Wrangler.
Dude, it's weird seeing somebody else drive my car.
I don't think I trust anyone else but him.
Same, like. Oh, this is cool.
Try not.
See, this is how I know your car's lower than mine.
I need more zip ties, man. 240 on it. It only makes sense. It only makes sense. Only makes sense. I really should be doing a job. Oh, job or
Wait, you work at Bell Tire?
Everyone come my alignments from me. Don't let anybody else write it down. I'm your guy.
It says it. My bag goes everywhere. Do a couple of maneuvers.
Yeah, you're good. Whatever you need to do.
So you just want to go at
More heat.
Hey, quit vaping under there. Stop, man. Damn, dude, you're going full hot boy.
Yeah, it looks like your car looks better now.
Yeah.
I think it should be a lot better.
Cool.
Alright.
Yeah, your car looks baller. How's your alignment?
Oh, it feels so much better.
Oh, that's good. Gotta wait a little bit for the normie cars. Hope you could actually see him in that clip, but that was funny.
Oh, you just pan over?
Yeah, I panned over, he goes better, and then I zoomed in on him. Yeah, I took like a couple clips that I just didn't know what I was doing, so I had to delete them.
Alright, that's probably good.
Yeah. Fuck it. LEDs on the skyline. Do that fucking donut.
Yeah, you're right, the exhaust is kind of like bouncing all around. Sweet! Hey, what are you doing on that side of the car?
I don't know. How was that? So yeah, we're getting my alignment done. It's going pretty good. I lowered my car.
It's a lot of hard work right here.
Yeah. I had you know, STs usually, and then there's the ECR, which is like the